Hi guys, it's Niall here. Today I'm using Windows 95. Now, first thing you'll probably notice is the terrible graphics. That's not my camera or the computer as such. It's an issue I've been having with the computer where it is stuck on the standard VGA driver, which is literally 16 colours. An emergency driver really, so it can just put something to the screen, which is not good. I mean, I'll show you here. If I go to control panel and we go to display, now we go to settings. As you can see, 16 colour. I mean, it does. I have got this on Super VGA, but every time I try and do 256 colours or true colour, it just stops, asks me to restart, and then it doesn't apply the new settings. So I tried to apply that there, but it's not working, so I was stuck on standard VGA, which, you know, it's only got monochrome and 16 colour, and you can't change that, so, you know. Never mind. And now my computer's frozen, which is good. Absolutely amazing. Windows, no, it won't be restarting because I haven't really done anything that requires that. So, now I am using a Packard Bell Pulsar 20 computer from 1997. It's had very few updates. Obviously it's still running Windows 95, not 98. Internet Explorer, all that kind of stuff. It's got Packard Bell Navigator, but the graphics are terrible on it because it's only doing 16 colours, which, you know, program wise, there's one thing that's included I quite like. You've got MS-DOS prompt. I'll do a separate video on MS-DOS eventually, but as you can see, if I do, I don't know, we've got an editor. So, let's just exit out of this, and you can type in exit, and it's gone. So, Windows 95 obviously came out in 1995, the first of my class to be the modern Windows systems, because it's the first one. It's got the standard desktop, as you can see. I mean, go to control panel. Can change the background to good pictures, or they were good before I had my issue with graphics. If I go to display, they included a ton of different sounds, like the common Windows 95 startup sounds. Show you here, we've got PB House. So that. Now, as you can see, really poor graphics. That actually looks terrible on the camera, so I just keep it as standard, the blank blue, which was Windows 95. So let's go back, just wait 10 years for it to load. And enter that. System, there's sound, you can add new hardware for it, there's different accessibility. Really starting to take the modern shape. Oh crap, no, I don't want to do that now. No. That's it. Alt F4, close the program down. So you've got all the drives. Now I have an issue with floppies as well with this, believe it or not. There's a floppy stuck in the drives. Actually, every time I turn this on, I just think, you know, let's find out what's wrong with her now, because there's pretty much every time I switch her on there's something wrong. I mean, last time there was an issue with the sound, but I managed to sort that out now. Going to programs, going to, and the mouse ball is, the trackball has come out. Again, I'll try and show you if I can. There's just have to have a trackball in. I get that. Come on. Just turn that, and it's ready to use. So we've got accessories, things like calculator, the same calculator as in Windows 3. I did do a video on Windows 3, I believe, a while back, running in a virtual machine. This is not a virtual machine, as you can probably tell. Yep, you can see bits of the monitor in the screen, and it is running native. Zoom in so a bit. Now, it's one of the many features. Things like, I know this one actually came with Office, but let's show, where is it? Yeah. WordPad, the word processor. So, obviously there is Edit if you only use MS-DOS, which I spend most of my time on this computer. And whoa, my camera's going crazy. I do apologise about this. I'd rather it wasn't this way, but... Come on, stop. Zoom in a bit further. Got all the fonts. Documents. Really, a good word processor. WordPad's definitely the first one to have it, because before, I believe it was Windows Write they had, because this version of Windows was the successor to Windows 3. So that's just a quick show Windows 95. I'll probably do more videos on it. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and Happy New Year. Bye.